Join me as I challenge myself to adopt some seriously spooky, healthy habits this Halloween and see if I can stick with them. When we think of Halloween, we often think of creepy costumes, spooky decorations, and, of course, loads of candy. But while it's okay to indulge every now and then, it's also important to maintain some balance and prioritize our health. After all, we want to make it through the holiday season feeling energized and focused, not sluggish and guilty. Halloween can be a challenging time for our health, with trick-or-treaters ringing our doorbells and tempting us with sugary treats, and parties and gatherings centering around unhealthy snacks and drinks. And let's be real, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and let our healthy habits fall by the wayside. Before we know it, we've devoured an entire bag of candy or skipped our morning workout for a week. But the truth is, with a little bit of creativity and planning, we can stay on track and even incorporate some healthy habits into our Halloween celebrations. One of the biggest challenges many of us face during Halloween is overeating candy and other sugary treats. It's hard to resist the temptation, especially when it's thrust upon us at every turn. But did you know that a single fun-size candy bar can have as much as 11 grams of sugar? And let's not even get started on the artificial flavors and colors that come with many commercial candies. Not to mention, all that sugar can lead to energy crashes, mood swings, and even digestive issues. Another challenge is finding ways to stay active. Halloween falls during a time of year when the weather is starting to cool down, making it harder to get outside and get moving. And let's be real, it's easy to get caught up in the festivities and skip our workouts or morning walks, but regular exercise is crucial for our overall health, from managing stress to boosting our mood. Then, of course, there's the issue of neglecting our healthy habits. Whether it's skipping our daily meditation practice or sleeping in later than usual, it's easy to let our self-care routines fall by the wayside during Halloween. But the truth is, these habits are more important than ever during the holiday season, when we need them to stay grounded and focused. So how can we overcome these challenges and incorporate healthy habits into our Halloween celebrations? One way is to offer healthy snacks at our gatherings and parties. Instead of serving up sugary treats, we could offer bowls of fresh fruit or veggie sticks with hummus. We could also try making our own healthy Halloween treats, like banana mummies or dark chocolate-dipped apricots. Another way is to stay active. We could incorporate Halloween-themed workouts like Monster Mash dance parties or graveyard sprints. We could even take a haunted hike or go on a spooky bike ride through a nearby park. And finally, we can prioritize our sugar intake. Instead of devouring an entire bag of candy, we could set a daily limit for ourselves or try sugar-free alternatives like stevia-sweetened treats. One standout healthy Halloween habit that can significantly impact our overall well-being is incorporating more plant-based meals into our diets. During Halloween, it's easy to get caught up in the meat-heavy dishes and processed snacks that dominate many parties and gatherings. But by incorporating more plant-based meals, we can boost our energy, support our immune systems, and even reduce our risk of chronic diseases. One creative recipe we could try is a vegan witch's brew, made with black beans, diced tomatoes, and spinach. We could serve it up in cauldron-shaped bowls for an added touch of spooky fun. Or we could try making some mummy dogs using vegan hot dogs and strips of whole grain wraps. Another idea is to incorporate some spooky fun fitness activities into our daily routines. We could try taking a zombie walk around our neighborhoods, or doing a series of monster burpees during our morning workouts. And finally, we could try incorporating some healthy Halloween-themed mindfulness practices into our daily routines. We could try meditating to the sound of howling wind, or practicing some spooky fun yoga poses like the black cat or the batty downward-facing dog. In the end, it's all about finding that balance and making healthy choices that still allow us to enjoy the spooky fun of Halloween. By incorporating healthy snacks, staying active, and managing our sugar intake, we can stay on track and even take our health to the next level. Thanks for tuning in, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite healthy Halloween habits? And don't forget to check out my next video on healthy living for even more spooky fun tips and tricks.